event in human history, an event that wiped out 95% of all men on Earth, and nobody knew. For 7,000 years, nobody knew. Let's make that number real, because 95% is the kind of statistic that slides past you if you let it. There are roughly 4 billion men alive on Earth right now. If this event happened today, 3.8 billion of them would simply vanish, gone, in a single generation. You would be left with 200 million men on a planet of 8 billion people. Walk into any room, any street, any city in the world. Out of every 18 people you see, only one would be male. For every 17 women walking the Earth, only one single man survived long enough to have children. 1 out of 17. Sit with that for a moment. Not 1 in 100, not 1 in 10, 1 in 17. That is not a disaster. That is near total erasure of an entire half of the human species, and it happened. It is written in our DNA. It cannot be argued with. But here is the part that made no sense at first, and the part that drove scientists to keep digging. If a disease had done this, it would have killed women too. If a famine had done this, it would have killed women too. If a natural disaster, a volcanic eruption, a flood, a climate collapse had done this, the bones of women would tell the same story. They do not. Whatever killed 95% of men spared women almost entirely. That is not a random catastrophe. That is something deliberate, something targeted, something that understood the difference between a man and a woman and acted on it. Scientists at Stanford ran 18 separate simulations trying to find an explanation that fit the data. 18. And there was only one scenario, out of all 18, that produced the exact genetic pattern we see in modern humans today. Around 7,000 years ago, human life changed in a way it had never changed before. For hundreds of thousands of years, our ancestors had been nomadic, moving with the animals, following the seasons, never staying in one place long enough to accumulate much or defend it. Then, slowly, that changed. Humans discovered farming. They learned to grow food instead of chase it. And for the first time in our species' history, they stayed. Staying changed everything. When you stay in one place, you build things, you store grain, you raise animals, you accumulate wealth. And accumulated wealth means